Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ndem and you're so welcome. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to cornrow your hair by yourself. So first of all, I'll be applying my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. I will just go ahead and make sure that I saturate my hair with this. After that, I'll be going in with my Jamaican black castor oil. So I'll try to apply this. I'll try to apply this onto my scalp. Okay guys, after applying my oils, I'll go ahead and use this white comb to try to detangle my hair. And I'll be doing that in sections. First, I'm trying to run my fingers through my hair to finger detangle it before I go in with the comb. So now with the comb, I'll start from the ends of my hair, working my way up to the roots. So once I have this is detangled already, I'll just go ahead and twist it so it doesn't tangle again. So what you want to do is, when you're parting your hair, you want to take much hair from the front and you start reducing the size as you go to the back. I'm going to make my line as I'm going to the back. I'm making it smaller. If you can see from the front, you have like almost an inch or two from the front. But when you get to the back, you can see how tiny it is. So the first line should fall here. That's what you want to do. If you want every braid to fall at the back of your hair, you want to start at the front, you cut it big, like you part it big at the front, then small at the back for it to fit. After you part your hair, what you want to do is take a little portion like this, take a little piece of hair like this. This is going to be like the start. So what you want to do is, I'll be separating it into three. You separate it into three. Now this finger, we go under the third one like so and grab the one you were holding on this other hand. So now you want to take this finger to press the root like that. That will help for the first one not to move. Then you use this finger, pass it and grab this other one. Then you let go. Now, like when you're doing cornrow, especially on yourself, the fingers that you use mostly these are the fingers you use. So this finger is used to grab the hair. These two, they are used to grab the hair and hold it down. Then this finger, you use it to press the root like so. While pressing, you pass it through. This finger press the root like so. Then this finger wrap. This press the root. Then this finger wrap. just like that. This press onto the root, then this grab, and you're grabbing as you're going backward. And you continue like that. This finger is grabbing. As it's grabbing pieces of hair from the back. As you're going towards the back, you keep grabbing this finger, use it to grab, to press the root. Then this finger, you grab the hair. Then you can grab a piece of hair and put it onto your hand like that. Then this finger, press the root. This finger, grab the other side. This finger, press the root, and this grab. You grab another piece of hair. You press the root and grab. Grab another piece, press the root, just like that. Why this finger is pressing is it helps to tighten the braid, but without hurting you or hurting the person you're braiding. But if you're trying to use the hair to make it tight, it's going to hurt. That's why I'm using this finger. And if you see, the finger is under, this is it here. This is the finger. It's pressing onto the root where I'm making the crossing. When I'm crossing the hair, this finger is pressing onto the root. So when you're braiding your hair, you should always try to press the root when you want to twist like this. Use this finger to press here before you pass this one. When you do like that, it's not going to move and the braid is going to tie. You can see that it starts getting smaller from here. It starts getting smaller, so it fits the first line, like lays on this, like the first line lays like this, for you to get everything at the back. Okay guys, I'm going to cut the second line. I'm going to take it large from the front. So as you're going towards the back, you're bringing it down closer to the first one. You can see how small this part is. Separate the hair, cut the first into 3, like 1, 3 sections. This finger press and pass it. This press onto the root. This press and grab. This press onto the root. Press and grab. Press onto the root and grab. Press onto the root and grab. Like you want to just continue like that. Always make sure you press the root, if not it's going to hurt. see where it ends. That's how you want to make your lines. You don't want to start it here and anywhere. It's not going to, when you get to this part, you won't have hair to connect it with. So you want to start here and then it here. So the next one, you see that it's going to fall here. I don't know if that makes sense. But that's how you do it when you want to do it. And when you're braiding your hair, or when you're cornrowing your hair, or you're cornrowing somebody's hair, or to the back. That's what you want to do. You want to take it from here the same size as here. If not, it's not going to fit. Okay guys, you can check that out. I'm going to turn around, and please don't mind the lines, because I was not seeing, looking at the back. I can't see the back of my head. What I just want to show you is how it lays all back straight. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this one, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down there and turn on that bell button at the corner so you can join the family. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.